Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a hot new rental just off the Duane Park area. This property is extremely private, extremely quiet, and might I add very cozy. So let's get straight into the tour. As you can see, this property has a very decorated style. This is actually the second entrance before you get to your unit. It's very secured as well, might I add. Once you get inside past that black gate, then you can enter your unit. As you step into the property though, you're gonna be inside your living room area / kitchen area. It is a open concept apartment, so bear that in mind. So you're gonna have your kitchen over there, which I'll show you in a bit, and then at the back you can also have your TV, your furniture. It's wide enough for you to probably split up the area into different parts, probably to even squeeze in a small workspace in one of the corners. And as you can see, there is a overhead storage area as well. I'd definitely put the fridge over that space because it would appear it was made for that specific purpose. Let's get a little bit more into the kitchen. We have double sinks, stainless steel finishes, what appears to be a granite countertop. I'm not quite sure, but I really did like the neutral colors of the kitchen. I liked the dark cabinets, I liked the countertops, and I also really liked the backdrop. It was very nice and it all came together so nicely. I'm just going to be opening up the cupboard so that you can see or have an estimate of the amount of cupboard space that you will be getting with this rental. At the time of filming this video, the rent stands at about 80,000 JMD per month. Now, given the location, given the exclusivity of it all, the finishes, and also the space, I think that's a pretty decent price. So if you're looking for a rental in that price range and you like this house tour, go ahead and contact Miss Nadeen Neal. She is the realtor for this rental and her information is in the description box below. With that said, guys, while you are in the description box, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining the family. Thank you for supporting the channel as always. And as usual, let me know your comments about the property in the comment section below. Let's get into the bedroom area, which is pretty large and nicely lighted and also nicely ventilated. So you get a decent amount of space, you get your air conditioning unit with this rental as well, and you get a decent size closet. This is approximately the same size as my closet, so I can tell you it's a good amount of space. As you can see along the walls, there's a lot of outlets for you to plug in your appliances, your TV, your stuff like that. And then here is the front view of the closet. As you can see, over one side they gave you some shelves, so if you have any large objects, any bedding, any shoes, you can put it over that section. And you can also utilize the top of the closet as well, that overhead space, to probably rest your suitcases and stuff like that. Now, with this property, the color scheme is properly maintained, so we have neutral colors right throughout, including the bathroom. Really loving those backdrops along the tiles, loving the transparent glass sink. You have your mirror over there, and then you also have your shower area. You do also get a small window with this bathroom, so you could let in some nice cool Jamaican breeze as well. I'm just going to give you a close-up of the backdrop that I mentioned earlier. Always been a fan of these types of backdrops for bathrooms and kitchens. It's one of my favorites in terms of home decor. Now, if you thought that the closet in the bedroom was the only closet space you'd be getting, you are wrong, my dear. Because as you exit the bathroom or the bedroom, there's an additional closet for you to do anything that you want. After the tour though, I did take a look outside in the yard. I walked around, I got some footage, and I got a feel of the place because, guys, to be quite honest, I love this property so much I started to envision myself living here, but that's another story. Now, if you look at the gate, this is the gate I mentioned, nicely secured. This is the backyard area. Not sure if it's being used for parking because there is parking at the front. Nice banana trees for you to live some cool island life. And then behind behind the house as well, you're gonna have your laundry area. This is the front where I mentioned with parking. So you have parking here and you have parking just at the front there where you see that blue vehicle. And then here is the back area where you would hang your laundry. If you want to use your dryer, that's up to you, but they have given you space for you to hang your laundry. Notably, although this is a laundry area, I could still see myself hosting a few barbecues here and there outside. Now, after this, I did walk back to the front because I wanted to show you guys the parking that I mentioned. But guys, that is it for this rental. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, I will see you guys in the next video.